Welcome back to back testing, sorry. We're coming into Wednesday, September 1st. It's a new month, so if we check the monthly candle, see we have yet to really expand lower. We've had a little bit of an expansion, but I believe we may want to see a little bit movement lower, especially since it is actually, we'll see. We're still in this inefficiency and we have yet to inverse it. So we'll see how we do here. But I'm leaning more so towards, we're at all-time highs, but I'm leaning more towards bears. We have this 1 hour fair value gap that I would like to see it close below. And, alright, we have 10 a.m. news. Okay, so expansion higher, taking out that high. Failing to close above it though, so that's something to mark down. This looks pretty decent to drop a little more, especially with these lows here. We have that unfilled 15-minute failure to close above these highs. Hourly fair value, hourly sell side swap. We're just not rejecting off of anything per se. So I'm not really going to be taking anything here. Because we weren't really rejecting off of anything. Yeah, there's nothing here to be worthy of the trades. Yeah, it's just chopping. Alright, let's go to the next PM session. Maybe we meander down there. Man, this is... Okay, well, we're chopping around a lot. But I like this area right here. There's that tap. We closed above it with this candle, but it's not really like a convincing candle closure. This candle also closed above it, but I don't know if I'm rocking with it that much. And then this plummet downwards seems pretty heavy. This is pretty nice. We're in an hourly though. Hourly fair value gap. 4-hour fair value gap. 5-minute tapped. This honestly isn't bad. There is equal lows here. Only problem is, do we have a 50? It's just that we're tapping this order block. It's also a fair value gap. There's a lot of stuff, like, I don't know, man. It's hard to, like, be convinced here, but I do like the way it's displacing lower. Alright, we'll try it. Go break even at that low, I guess. Yeah, I mean, that's the best we'll get here. Stop above this high. CPU 1 to 2. It's my break even. Alright. Alright, let's go to the next candle. Would have worked out, but we always have to go break even after we sweep like the nearest low or high. Let's go to the next AM session here. So we're just placing higher. 4-hour basis, continuation higher. We are in an inefficient, well, way above an inefficiency, tapping this hourly order block potentially. Seeing some rejection lower. Ooh, actually, I don't know. This actually looks really good for longs. We'll see. Let's see, maybe we get down here and then sweep that. If it works for shorts, it would work now. Tapping this 15-minute. Early order block. Shit, man, if it really worked, it would work now. There's a lot of low resistance. It'd be hard not to take these lows out. At least one low. I'll go break even as soon as we sweep that low. But it just looks too good to not take, honestly. Stop will be above there. 1 to 2. Down to. There's London lows here. Where is it? Be like around this one and this one. Yeah, we have a lot of good stuff here. 4 shorts. Let's try it out here. There is my break-even point. And we got break-even. Damn, man. Wow. Alright, it's fine. Here's a 10 a.m. candle. Come up. Tap that 5-minute. We are in an hourly fair value gap, so I got some, and we'll keep going lower, especially how that 4-hour and 1 hour is being respected. 5-minute tapped. It's probably gonna keep dumping. Yeah. Wow. This doesn't look that bad. Hourly fair value gap, super discounted. 15-minute areas as well. Sweep, sell side. It's a 4-hour as well. If I were to take it, my break even would have been like these equal highs. Or even this high, but like, I don't know. I don't think I would take this. I don't know. I'm not really digging it. Like, if we zoom out a little more on a 4-hour basis, we're meandering around this balanced price range right here, and this fair value gap. And it looks like, you know, we actually may see the price moving higher, but yeah, I mean, it actually looks pretty decent. Would I be, like, so happy to take this? Maybe if yeah, actually, it doesn't look that bad. There's no inefficiencies, like, that we inversed. What's today? Thursday. Fair value gap. Port block. Breaker. Okay, we'll try it. We'll go actually. Yeah. Alright. I'll take it. Looks actually pretty solid too. Let's just make sure there's no equal lows. Nope. Perfect. Okay. We should be safe. I'll break even relatively quickly. Maybe like if we touch an order block or something. This is 5-minute order block. Yeah, I guess. Alright, we'll try it here. There's that 1-minute order block. Not yet, I'm not really. Okay, we swept that high that we just formed. It looks really like, oh, I didn't even realize our risk to reward was that bad. Let me redo it. I forgot to set my take profit. Stop below there. TP, we'll just take out 945 high. Alright, so enter, and I'm break even after we had tapped. Or after we swept that high. That's my break even point right there with that fucking low. I mean, that high. And if I didn't go break even there, I would definitely get break even after I take these highs out. Alright, let's see here. Come up, tap that 15-minute. Or rejecting lower. Okay, well, we have to do something now, man. It's getting ridiculous here. 1050. So we just did a bunch of nothing, honestly, for the past hour. Just meandered around. Alright, let's go to the next PM session. I like this law a lot. I like the way we're like moving lower for the PM session. We have that 4-hour fair value gap. Looks like we're gonna just displace through it. We swept these. Oh no, we haven't swept these lows. We still have a lot to sweep here. Swept that one over there though. Alright, we have this 15-minute up here that if we tap, I may want to see some move lower. Really? We're just gonna edge it? Okay, well, we just edged it and then went straight down to our objective. Great. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really looking for anything then right now. I mean, we have the daily low. It's far, far away. We could target like this hourly right here, I guess. That looks pretty good too. Let me delete everything. But now it's like we're more in a discount, and like there's not really much that we can reject off of. We have a lot of low resistance liquidity building upwards, and that looks like it's just gonna dump to it. Yeah, figured, but we're not really rejecting off anything. All right, I'm not rocking with this price action whatsoever right now. 1 hour sell side swept. Yeah, we just keep dumping. There's the daily one right here. Alright, we'll see. I mean, we have a 15-minute right above us. We swept so many liquidities that it would be stupid of us to take something now. And like, look, that gave us a setup, but if I were to have taken it, I would go break even at that 2-minute fair value gap, or the nearest one is that 4-minute. But I wouldn't take this. We met too many objectives for the downside to be like, yeah, let's keep going. We are delivering from a 15-minute, so it may work, honestly. No, we'll get break even after we sweep that, which is, yeah, the 4-minute fair value gap. All right, well, I don't expect us to get anything here, honestly. Let's go to the next AM session, Friday. Friday. Let's see here. Where are we relative to the price action? We came down and failed to take the slow, which is interesting. ES took it though, so we have an SMT at those major lows. Hourly seems like, yeah, we're respecting it. We're not really closing below it. 15-minute market structure shift, come up to OF 10 AM news. All right, well, okay, damn, we have a lot of highs too, so that's good buy side targets. So sell side target here, buy side target there. Let's see if we can get a trade off of it. Okay, we tapped the 15 minutes, so we could see that move higher. Do we have an SMT at these highs? Oh, weird SMT. Yeah, we do. I need to see more here. 15-minute. Two-minute did inverse. We have our setup here. It's pretty good. I just don't like the fact that we took out our break. I mean, we have these highs as well. That could be the break-even point. And this one. All right, we'll go break-even after this. But yeah, this is pretty solid here. Stop below there. Yeah, this is a pretty good setup here. We failed to take that low out, and then we inverse this 4-hour very nicely. Come down, tap the hourly order block, body. Well, actually, it's not an order block yet because we didn't close above it, but nonetheless, we have this 15-minute, and we're respecting it going higher. ES, we are meandering around. ES respected that 15. But we do have an SMT with those lows. Alright, we'll try it. We'll try it. We'll go break even relatively quickly here after this high is taken. That is our break even. Okay, we're break even there. Don't like how we're so close to it, but this is our break even point. And even if we didn't get above there, our break even point would have been this high right here that we formed. Right here. This is our break even. So let's hope that we just expand higher. Alright. Oh wow. And that is exactly why we get break even. Because the slightest swing high is more than enough confirmation, or not confirmation, but it provides more than enough to just drop more, you know? Okay. I don't like this low resistance. I'm not trading against that. Did we fail to take out even this? Yeah, we failed to take out this low. I'm not really rocking this with this PA, and it's 10. All right, yeah, let's just move on to the. Oh wait, we don't trade PMs, Friday PMs. All right. Wow, look at this market. 15-minute. Ew, dude. Oh, that's actually disgusting price action. Past 6 days, it's been like that. Terrible, 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 terrible. All right. Well, regardless, you know, we're still doing good here, I guess. We just haven't caught a trade this week, which is fine, you know. It's especially because it's been icky. I mean, you guys could look at it and see it for yourself. We've been doing good. We've been doing good. Failure to close above these on a 4-hour basis. Let's see if we fail to close above it now as well. Don't like the fact that we have low resistance liquidity going upwards. We have London highs here. And actually over here we have London highs. So let's just see how we do. We have no inefficiencies that we can take the trade off of. Yep. And then 4-hour closed above it. So did the 1 hour. Well, not above this, but we did close above that major high. And now we are going to take it without us. Wow. Okay, we're tapping that 15-minute. Do you have an SMT with those eyes? No. So, okay, we could definitely target it still. Still very valid here. 15-minute tapped. Why is the market moving like this, where it has, like, bumps? Oh, shit. Wait a second. What if the volume imbalance? Now we're in that 5-minute though, are we? We're about to form a 5-minute. Why is the market moving like this? Was there a holiday? What holiday was September 6th, 2021? Oh, it was Barbie doll day, of course. Oh wait, no, it was actually Labor Day. Yeah, we're not trading that shit. Well, yeah, we're not trading Labor Day. That's pretty sure a bank holiday. Let me just make sure. Hey, that setup would have worked, but I don't like how we're meandering around. Would we have got break even? Well, I mean, our break even would have been this high or this high. We'd come down, leave equal lows as well. Our break even would be on after that sweep. I mean, I don't give a shit because we wouldn't trade Labor Day, the bank holiday. Yeah, you see how it closes at 12:45? Yeah. All right, let's go to the next AM session. Coming in, I don't think it's not. Oh wait, Monday was. I don't know what the fuck's going on, honestly. I have no idea what the chart just did, honestly, but regardless, we're here on Tuesday. We skipped Monday, which seemed to be September 6th as well. I don't give a shit. Too much complications. Let's just skip it. Let's go ahead and continue here. So it is Tuesday, AM session, we can experience a little bit of a retracement here. I like these lows over here a lot. Going into the daily, 4-hour inverse, we have this 4-hour order block, 1-hour fair value gap breaker. Let's see if we could tap into this area. That would be nice to continue shorting off of. That'd actually be really nice if we tap that. Did we tap it or did we leave equal highs at it? I think we left fucking equal highs. Really, dude? There's not a shot we did. 68.75. 68.75. Great. Can't take that. Looks great, but can't take it. Great. I mean, we would have probably, yeah, we would have got break even there. Our stop would have been above 1850. TP would have been like 36, right around there. All right, let's see. Maybe we get something better here. Yeah, man. Can I please get something? Cops are even coming right now. 4-hour order block breaker. I like shorts. I like shorts a lot, and I can't believe we're not getting them. We have a, I mean, well, let me see. Hourly failing to close. It's 2 minutes before. I'm not taking that shit. Yeah, there's a 10 a.m. candle right now. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's no way I would have entered right before that. Plus, I'm more bearish right now. So I'm so sad. Okay. Let's see, maybe, I mean, it's 10:50. Let's go to the PM here. 4-hour took out that high, displacing through that order block, fair value gap, inversing all that. I mean, yeah, we could probably see a continuation higher. I want to see this 15-minute tap though if we're gonna take even the slightest trade, because I'm not taking it this high into a premium relative to this range. We're about to be at all-time highs. I want to see a little bit of a move lower, like a retracement to take some longs. Okay, there it is. Technically, yeah, that can work. 15-minute tapped. Met this objective. I hate how we met this objective, but do we have like... We have London highs right here. That's a good target, honestly. 15-minute tapped. 2-minute inversed. Break even above that high. It looks pretty solid here, honestly. Yeah, this is a good setup. I like it. Pretty sure there's our break even right there. Well, we'll break even. Yeah, there was no way. Oh, come on, don't just go without me. Give me a better trade here. Maybe we'll go deeper into the 15. You know, that'd be lovely. There's a 5-minute. Oh no, it's not 5-minute. Well, fuck. Okay, I mean, there's not really a setup I could confidently take it off of, which sucks. This was it, but like, why did we meander around for like 15 minutes? Again, we got break even, so it doesn't even matter. It's 2 o'clock, so maybe we get like an hourly retracement down into this fair value gap down here. That would be nice if we could get it, but 4-hour failing to close above these highs consistently with the hourly as well. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, don't tell me this is gonna make it work. All right. There we. Ooh, there we go. Fuck, we made our break-even point though already. I am bullish though. I am indeed bullish. Two-minute inverse as well. Oh, look at that resistance. Look at that low resistance. I just don't like that we're struggling to close. Let me see. Does ES have an SMT here? We do. A huge one. And that case, then we have this low resistance going upwards consistently. I mean, it looks good though. I'd take it. I just don't like that we got our break-even points already. That's the only thing. This equal high would have been my break-even point. I don't know, and like we're far from this area, but we do have this like breaker, I guess. What are we in? Are we in a 3 minute? No, 2 minute. Yeah, I mean, I guess this can work. Yeah, we'll try it here. Go break even relatively quickly. There is our break even point right there, because we took out this high. So that's the newest high form, and we took it. Let's go break even. Let's see if that break even saved us. It looks like it will. I mean, and if it didn't, there's an exit there for sure. Gracefully, thank you, markets. I'd exit there. There's equal highs there and there, but this is for sure probably an exit. Oh wow, it worked out afterwards. Great, it's 3 o'clock. Let's go to the next game session. Let's catch something good here, man. Come on, markets. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Like, what the fuck is this price action right now? Generally, what is it? From this high, I mean, from this low to this high, it's been about 5 days. And then like there's this as well. There's a lot of consolidation periods. Okay, well, coming into the daily. What is it? It's Wednesday 8th. Interesting. Man, this is hard to get a grasp at right now. But there's more inefficiencies getting disrespected to the downside than upside, but also we have this 4-hour inverse, but re-inverse. I don't know, man. Honestly, let's just see. We have this 1 hour that we're in, and right above us, we have a buy side and another 1 hour right there. I'd say buy side is the target for now. $5-minute tapped. And it might work here. And there's my break even if I were to take it. What are we in? We didn't even sweep the sell side. Come on, dude, really? 4 hour being glitched out. Great. Previous daily has been swept. Yeah, it did. 1 hour inverse lower. So maybe we get lower price. Damn, look at this low resistance. Oh, bro, this looks good for lower prices. I mean higher prices too, right here. But like 1 hour inverse, no shot. All right, we'll see this. We'll see this 5-minute, 15-minute gives us something. Let's see if we can get these highs out though. I don't want to trade against those equal highs right now. Damn, looks like. All right, there's the equal highs taken. I'm gonna need a little more, maybe here. If it were to work, it would work now for lower prices. Daily, 4 hour. We're struggling to close below this low, like consistently. I don't know, man. I'm not really rocking with this price action for today. We're on a premium of this range, so if we were to measure this high to this low, trade entry, we are in the optimal trade entry, so this would be the highest probability for shorts right now. We could go to break even right after we take that low, but I need more. I need a fair value gap to inverse. That can work actually. I like the way we're dumping here. We'll see. We'll try to do it. Target 10 AM lows, break even at that point, I guess. That'd be pretty fair. There's my break even. Straight to break even. Funny as hell. And then it worked out. Damn, man. our entry should have been this one, but like there was no inefficiency that we're really inversing, and then the fact that we still have these order blocks to close below, so I was like, I don't want to risk it, and then we this is the candle that I entered off of because we then closed below the mean threshold of that order block. So because if I entered off this candle, I would have been entering by assumption of creating this breaker, you know, like this um high low higher high, and then when we close below it, below the mean threshold of that, then I'm like, okay, yeah, this order block is gonna be not only a order block, it will also be a breaker because we're violating the mean threshold. But unfortunately, we got break even. Whatever, that happens. We've been getting a lot of break evens. Maybe we're going to break even earlier, but honestly, I don't know. I'll kind of keep it the same, especially since we're tapping that 5-minute and an order block. You know, we have potential to reverse, and the charts haven't been really that well. You know, if it was cleaner price action, maybe I would stay in the charts and stay in the chart trades longer. But even then, honestly, my model, it's like you go break even, you have a high win rate, and the break evens, you know, they protect us often. Damn, we are dumping. I wouldn't take that. 11. Let's go to the PM here. It's Wednesday, September 8th. Let's see. It's been one full week of back testing. So let's see. Failed to tap this daily fair value gap. We swept those daily lows. I was thinking the chart like this, it's more than enough to continue going higher, but we'll see what we do here. We have the hourly right above us. 15-minute breaker, fair value gap right there. Let's see what we do here. But shit, we're running without us. Of course, I wanted to see one more sweep, or that 15-minute got tapped. Shit, but I mean, I wouldn't have been able to get an entry. Nah, I wouldn't really have been able to get an entry. There's an hourly tap. Did we come back into a 15? No, not even a 5. Wow. 4-hour failing to close below all these lows. Did close below this one, but not these ones. Let me see if there's an SMT with that 4-hour. And yes, we do have an SMT with that 4-hour. We have an SMT with this one. Right there. We'll see. I like shorts to this slow though. Maybe it was a Judas. I don't know. Oh wait, I like longs because we're failing to close above. And then watch it short now. Oh, alright, I'm not trading this shit. Yeah, get me out of here. Let's go to the next AM session. I don't know why September's been really bad. Maybe there's like, let me see, economic calendar. Yeah, I mean, there's not really much news. Yeah, actually, there is a lot of news this week in particular. This upcoming week in particular. We're about to wrap up this week, though. So let's see. Maybe we get something here, but we don't have any news for the rest of this week. I don't know. I'm so turned off by this chart right now. Like, it's been consistently just meandering around, especially with this low and this high. And then it got swept here. And then now we have this low and this high. And it's been a long day. How long has it been? Like, since... It's been 10 days worth of just, like, the same area consistently. Don't know why it's doing that, but I don't feel good trading it. I feel like today, well, I would just skip the trading day, honestly, if I woke up and saw this chart. So potential trade coming up. And we would have maybe been able to take it. There's a 15. Would I have taken that? If there's no equal lows, there's equal lows. I can't take it. I was looking at this 15-minute fair value gap up to this This actually looks like a really good trade, but I wouldn't take it. 1 hour inverse there. Let's see the 4 hour. 4 hour displacing higher. An hour displacement through these high. Yeah, I mean I would take it, but I can't because it's against my model because of those equal lows right around here. Let's see, maybe it saves us. But yeah, I wouldn't take it. Even though it looks really good to these highs. Break even would have been here regardless, especially this 1 minute fair value gap right there. I tend to find those gaps in particular actually hold a lot of times. All right, let's go to the PM. Looks like mountains, bro. All right, this is pretty obvious to me. It looks like a market market maker sellable model. 1 hour inversed. Yeah, it's probably gonna take it off the open. No. Fuck, wait, I was gonna slow down. If there's a 15-minute, it's a 15-minute, but I'd only take that if there was an SMT. There isn't. I would have taken that. I wouldn't have been comfortable taking it. We swept this sell side. Swept to that sell side. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we do. Really? No way I can get an entry? 2 o'clock here. Maybe we get due to swing higher and then move lower potentially, but would I enter that? Would I really enter that? Let's see here. Like with confidence. I just don't like that we're meeting these objectives. Do we tout the 15-minute? Well, if I entered, I would have been break even already, so there's no point in me taking it. This is my break even point, especially the way this market's moving, dude. Bro, I kind of just want this. I kind of want to skip to a point where price either just takes out that high or that low. I mean, that low or that high. Either this or this. Like, it's getting obnoxious now. It's been so long of the same shit over and over again. Wait, this kind of looks kind of good now. Fuck. That looks really good. Would have been broke even. Come up. Tapped it one more time. So sell side sweep. There's an SMT. Ooh, there is an SMT as well. Okay. Okay. Now we're doing something. Now we're doing something. Close below the mean threshold. Okay, I'm rocking with this one. Finally, charts did something good. TP 1 to 2 with this low. I'm just gonna take a 1 to 2 and be grateful that we could do that. Okay, break even has yet to be met. There's a break even point. Bang, baby! Finally a good trade. I would target this, bro, but honestly, the way this market has been moving. Oh, there's London lows right there too. That's a good target. Fuck, I didn't even notice it. But I'll just take this TP and get the fuck out, bro. Honestly, we haven't gone a trade for the past 2 weeks. I'm not gonna risk it up to chance here. Yeah, you see, I would have got break even. There's no way I would have fucking not take my 1 to 2 and called it a day, bro. Finally we got something. Holy man. Yeah. Okay, well, you don't need a trade breakdown. You guys pretty much got it here. 4 hour looked very bearish, like with that candle closure. 1 hour being all this inefficiencies inversed. And we swept this objective, but we left this one and this one down there, and the London lows as well. And then we come up, tap that 15-minute. And then our first entry would have been this candle right here. this one, but I would have got break even after we swept that. That is our rules. And then our next entry would have been this one, and I would have got break even after we swept this low, which we did. Sweep it, and we come back up a little bit, not enough to take us break even, just enough to respect this like breaker area and this order block continuous closures upwards. So we respect the wick of it too. That's very bearish. And then we come down just enough to have a 1 to 2, and we also had an SMT at these highs, so it looked really nice for shorts. Yeah, okay, cool. Now we have another SMT, but regardless, let's move on here. We have Friday AM session. See if we catch something good here. Trash. Are we still in this range? Yeah, we still are. We still have yet to take that low out, huh? Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is getting to a point where it's I'm just not believing it anymore. This is the worst I've seen. 10 days worth of this? Almost 11? Alright, well, I mean, I'm just grateful we caught a W. Fuck it. 30 cons long right now. I'm just playing. This high looks good, but I won't be surprised if the market just wants to go back down. But we didn't meet the objectives. So I like all these highs, honestly. I like all the slow resistance, like one after another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hourly highs. So maybe we get something. Yeah, this looks good enough just to keep going longer, honestly. Fuck, that really does already. What is it? Is it off a 5-minute? It is off a 5-minute. Fuck, that looks really good. Let me see, let me think. Would I take this? Give me a moment here. Sorry, I'm cleaning my monitor. Okay, so we have a lot of good stuff here. Come down. Let me see if there's an SMT with those highs. Like in moments like this, you know, you could never. Oh, we do. But it's a good one, isn't it? Like it's weird. What the fuck is this market? Give me a second here. There's that high on the 10 a.m. candle, 10 a.m. candle. So we do have an SMT with lows instead of highs, which is interesting. Don't like that ES is displacing with a lot of momentum through these candles on a 15-minute basis. We did tap an hourly order block, so maybe, 15-minute. So maybe we get a little retracement higher. This looks like really good, but I would. Oh, there's those two. Those equal highs. There's this. I want to take it and then just go break even after these highs are swept. This one and this one. It looks pretty decent, honestly. It's about to be the 50. I don't like that we took that, but we'll see. There's my break-even point. I already would have got break-even really quickly. So let me see if I could just do it without FX replay. No, I have to do it with it. But yeah, that high and that highs, those were my break-evens. And we even left equal highs, but I would have gotten break-even, especially since getting this high out, which is unfortunate. But main reason I played it like really close was because we have a 15-minute that's about to form in like 10 minutes, and it might want to retrace lower to that. So, and then S&P ES looked like very bearish through that. So yeah, I would have played it exactly like that, where I go break even quickly, because it was obvious that we were gonna take that high. So I'm like, you know what, if we do, break evens are good. All right, let's continue here. That looks decent too, honestly. Wow, surprised we didn't get it, but yeah, there was no entry on that regardless at all. It's disgusting price action. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna catch anything here, honestly. Yeah, we're just gonna let this day go without us. So yeah, I'm just too icky about it right now. It's looked solid for shorts. But alright, let's go to the next AM session and call it a day here, because my mind... Oh my god! We finally broke through it! Dude, we finally broke through it. Oh, brother. We finally did it. It was a long journey. Oh my god. To be exact, we had this candle to this candle. 10 days, 20 hours. Oh my god. 11 days of that, guys. Can you imagine that? 11 days of that. I would have went 11 days without taking a trade. Would have gotten, like, what, total of like 4 or 5 break-evens and 1 W, which is still good. I'm proud of myself for being able to do exactly how I would trade it. And I'm proud of myself for maintaining profitability through these tough consolidation times and playing it close to the vest. As you guys saw, I went break even as soon as I could, especially in a market that's consolidating, because it's typically like a seek and destroy, you know. It's like it'll grab the smallest form of liquidity and then reverse, and it's like you won't expect it, because it's less of a one directional move, and instead it's just consolidation. And in moments like this where you see this market just fluctuating higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, with no regards to like fair value gaps and all that, like it's just disrespectful. Like, here's how the chart looked if I just did it on a arrow candles. Now let's take this and move it up. You see, in a moment like this, where you're entering, let's say here, and then it comes down and it takes like some sell side here, you go break even. Like, even if it's the smallest. Let's say you enter here for longs, and you think it looks really good because we swept some sell side and we're in a higher time frame inefficiency. And so you enter here, and then it comes up and takes some some buy side up here. You move your stop to break even. For example, let's do a different color real quick. Let's just do red. So you have your entry right around here, and price moves up a little bit, so taking some buy side up here. You go break even, because most likely in a market that's looking like this, like consistent consolidation, this move right here would occur and you wouldn't even catch it. And then look, it would happen right afterwards. It would go up to your high. So you want to play it smart and play close to your vest in moments of consolidation, because you will be used as liquidity whether you like it or not. And thankfully we did good. Let's show the nav bar. Let's go to dashboard analytics. We're up 108 on the account with a 2% gain so far in September, and we're halfway, I believe, through it. It was indeed halfway. Where are we? Yeah. Overall on the account, though, that was 4%, so that's cool. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.